Hey, hello everyone! Welcome to Orta San Giulio, Orta Lake, or Lago di Orta, Northern Italy. Let's visit! Enlève les chaussettes. So we are staying in Stresa, which is half an hour away from here, by the Lago Maggiore. But we've heard this lake is also very nice, and this village also. So that's why we're here. And yeah, it's early afternoon. I think we spend the afternoon here and drive back to Stresa. Okay, let's see this. Hey, so we just took 3 minutes, actual 3 minutes boat ride, and we are now on a small island facing the village. It belongs to the same village, so Orta San Giulio. It's nice, there are boats every 15 minutes to cross, and it's 3 minutes. Okay, so let's walk around the island and then go back. We had a nice aperitif and wine, so now we make more space to have more food and wine. It's so good here, the food and the wines are very, very good. Okay, let's visit the island. Hey, this island is very, very nice. It's tiny, beautiful, full of charms, very nice. But maybe 35-40 minutes and you're done. There's a little church to visit, a walk around. It's tiny, but it's very nice. Okay, time to go back to mainland. Let's catch the boat. Tu l'as donné, monsieur? Okay, 3 minutes boat back to the village. Let's explore a bit more and probably we'll try some more food. Peut-être,